to the channel. It's nice to have you back on this channel. And thank you very much for subscribing to this channel, for liking our previous videos. If you are coming here for the second time, if you're here for the first time, please do like this video, subscribe to this channel, so that as soon as we upload new videos you get updated immediately. Yeah, and so this video is gonna be 3 good ways to make money on Google. Yeah, 3 great ways to make money on Google. Now this is pretty easy, and you do not need to have any qualifications. You can do it from anywhere in the world. It's simply easy, very easy to start, and very easy to this is all about you just getting something that will bring in a little income. Yeah, this works. And the first we'll be talking about is the search engine evaluator. So you could actually go on search engines. Many times you could have gone on Google to search for an information, and when you search for the information, some search results that come up do not really have the specific information that you are looking for. So brands actually reach out to companies like Apin and Lionbridge, and then basically you go on search engines and then you evaluate their search engine results. And not just search engine results, you evaluate a couple of search engine results for specific search terms, and then you basically let them know websites that are there that shouldn't be there. Basically, that's what it's all about. So search engine evaluator job is actually really cool. You could actually make between a minimum of $12 per hour, because a minimum of $12 per hour, and the rates just go up and up depending on what you're working on. And on a company like Lionbridge, they also have other types of jobs. They have corporate associates, they have testers, raters, and curators. This is what we're talking about. That's a search engine curator, search engine rater, search engine tester, and all that. Then translation and agencies, interpreters. So all these, you can just do this. You do not need any special qualifications. All you just need to do is know what you're doing. That's that. So that's there for the first way to make money on Google: search engine evaluation. The 2 websites you could use is lionbridge.com or hipin.com. You could use any of those 2. They work pretty fine. So let's go to the second one. The second one is Google Opinion Rewards. So Google actually allows you to earn rewards when you share your opinions. It's as simple as that. Now basically Google, this is actually more of a Play Store app. So you take the app, and then via the app you could actually install the app on your device, and then conduct reviews at your spare time. Yeah, you do your reviews in your spare time, and then you earn rewards. And this is a surveys app. Complete short surveys while standing in line or waiting for a subway. Get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credits for each one you complete. That's cool. Surveys include everything from opinion polls, hotel reviews, to match and satisfaction surveys. We'll notify you when your survey is awaiting. You could actually make money sharing your opinions on the Google Opinions reward, and that's pretty cool. Another way to make money on Google, the third one that we're going to be talking about, is Google Publisher. Yeah, a lot of you might have heard about that, the possibility of you publishing books on Amazon, and then having your books on Amazon Kindle, and then earning commissions from your ebooks. But in this case, you could also publish your books on Google. It's called Google Books Partner. So basically, you publish your books. It's pretty easy to publish your books, and you can set your rates. Okay, and whatever rates you want to set for each of the books, you set it. When people buy the book, you get to pay the commission, and that's pretty cool. And it's just so easy to start. All you just need to do is to come to play.google.com/book/publish. Then you could get started in no time. So those are the 3 good ways to make money on Google for free, and from anywhere in the world. You could be a search engine evaluator, you could conduct Google surveys and earn rewards, or you could publish your book on Google Books. Yeah. There are many other ways to make money on Google. You talk about AdSense and just a couple of other ones. So you just think about these ones that we've talked about. See if you could just implement these skills that we've just learned today. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you derive value from this video. Let me know if you want more of these videos. Please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.